So a lot is happening on the markets right now. All the markets are basically pointing down, including the cryptocurrencies, mostly Bitcoin. I mean, Bitcoin has fallen all the way from like 10,000 all the way to like 5,000. Right now it's just a little bit above 5,000. So basically what I decided to do in this video is I'm going to be doing a live withdrawal of my ASIMI tokens. I'm basically not going to sell them, but I'm just going to put them in the ASIMI wallet on my Waves DEX. So I'm going to be showing you guys the step-by-step how to do that, how to get your ASIMI tokens from Space into your ASIMI wallet so that you can trade them for any other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. I mean, Bitcoin right now is very low, so you can actually like buy it while it is still low using your ASIMI tokens. Then you can hold the Bitcoin or you can hold your ASIMI token. So either way, one of the two has to go up in value, right? So what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to do 50-50. I'm going to hold on to 50% of my ASIMI tokens, and the other 50 I'm going to use it to purchase Bitcoin and then hold on to that. So if you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, turn notifications, and leave a comment, like the video, helps the channel grow, and I really appreciate that. And if you got any questions, there's a link to our Telegram group in the description down below, so just click on that and you'll be able to post your questions and stay up to date with different ways of making money online. Otherwise, if you're new and you don't know much about Space, there's also a link to a playlist which has all the how to get started and what is Space all about in the description as well. So just look in the description and you get all those resources. Anyways, as I said, I'm gonna be withdrawing my tokens. So as you can see right now, today the price is at 2 cents for each ASIMI token, which is equivalent to that amount in Bitcoin. I think that's about 462 satoshis. So anyways, if we move to the actual dashboard, so I actually already logged into my account. If you want to get started, the link is down below. It's a referral link. It will get you into this platform. So basically the platform, how it works is that it only works based on referring people to the platform. That's how it basically works. So if you want to join, the referral link is down below. You can get started, and it's for free to actually start earning with ASIMI tokens. I mean, Space, to earn your ASIMI tokens. You can get started earning within the first 5 minutes on this platform using this button right here, the view to earn, and you'll be able to view up to 25 ads daily for free. And then if you want to start minting, that's where you have to invest money upfront and purchase an ASIMI stake, which costs about I mean, in today's equivalent, I think it's about $20 to $50 for each of those stakes. So you'll be able to earn ASIMI tokens about 1.5 1.6 ASIMI tokens for every 7 seconds ad that you view on this platform. What you want to do is come down to the transactions. I think you can see my balance right there, 1,050 ASIMI tokens, right? And I'm gonna take it out, all of it. So minimum to be able to withdraw, you need $10 worth of ASIMI tokens, which is basically right now I think it's about 500 ASIMI tokens. So this is worth about $20 or so based on today's rate, which is 2 cents, right? So if my math is right, that's 500 ASIMI tokens that you need to be able to cash out, right? So I'm gonna go to my withdrawal. I'm actually gonna go to my wallet and then I'll be able to withdraw. And then in the previous video, I know guys, I showed you about the verification. You actually need to verify your account if you cannot withdraw. So the verification process is actually pretty simple. What you need to do is just to send a picture of your ID or whatever, passport, anything that is your name on it, and you just need to make sure that your name is exactly the same as on that document, as in on this on your profile, right? So if you go to your profile in the account profile, your name and surname must exactly be the same as any of the document that you're going to use for verification, right? So that's just to make it quick and easy so that there are no questions asked whatsoever. And then before I withdraw, I just want to make sure that I actually have the exact wallet address that I want to send my coins to, right? So that we don't have any mistakes, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open this in new tab, and then for you guys who are getting started to right now, you just come down to the getting started right here, and then the video tutorial and the tutorial library. There are videos there that can help you set up your ASIMI wallet using the Waves DEX exchange, which is like an exchange, but it's also a wallet where you can keep your coins on. So basically at the moment we only have ASIMI or listed on one exchange. Very soon it might change. That's why I'm holding on to some of the ASIMI so that I can be able to sell them when they are on different exchanges, which obviously brings more value to the market, meaning that the the price potentially will increase at that time as well. So that's why I'm saying hold on to your ASIMI if you still got them, and keep minting, keep earning your ASIMI tokens. I mean, it's for free, there's no investment needed, so this is pretty much a good deal for anybody who is interested. So I'm just gonna go to my to double check on the, okay, so this is basically my ASIMI wallet right there, so I can edit it. That's where you need to come, wallet address, and then you get it, you get your ASIMI wallet. Let me just switch to my phone right now. I'll show you where you get your ASIMI wallet. So basically your ASIMI wallet, if I can go to my phone, so this is my phone right there. I'm just recording my tab, right? So let me see if I can just bring it up a little bit. So I already have the Waves DEX app already installed, right? So that's the exchange. So I'm just gonna log in. Once you log in, it's basically much easier if you do it on your PC. And then this on the mobile is just to, you know, to check and basically just like for easy access, but it's basically best to do it when you have it on your PC, because you'll be able to add the wallets much easier than the mobile. So if I can go to the hidden right here, you see that I have my ASIMI wallet. So if I click on my ASIMI wallet and many others, you can add as many as you want. This wallet can actually take a lot, right? So this was my first withdrawal right there. This was back last year in March as well, so I don't know why I'm it's almost close to exactly this, 1 year later that I'm actually doing another withdrawal, because this was on the 27th of last year, March, and then I withdrew I withdrew 27 ASIMI and the worth is 0.01. At that time I think that was about $60, and then it increased to $100 at some point, but now it's back to like I think about $50, I'm not sure, something like that. So it just depends. I mean, it's cryptocurrencies, you know how they move and so forth. So if you want to receive, if I come to the receive button right here, they should be able to show me my wallet, right? So I'm just going to enter any amount right here just to see the wallet, right? So I'm going to go continue. If I click on the continue button right there, and then it should give me my wallet address. So I just want to make sure it's exactly the same, right? So as you can see, 3PD42 and it ends with DJYW. So if I come back here, it should be exactly the same, 3PD42 and then DJW. So it's exactly the same. So now I feel a bit more safe to actually go through and withdraw my coins, right? Because I know they're going straight to my wallet, and I've confirmed my wallet address. So it's always a good thing to double check on your wallet address. Anyways, let's proceed with that. So what I'm going to do, back on my wallet, I'm going to go back to the withdraw page, and then we should be able to get started. I don't think it should take that much. So I'm not sure what are the processing times, but I think in 2 to 3 days I should have my ASIMI tokens, and I'll make an update video on what's going on. So I advise you, if you're new to the channel, you haven't subscribed, just hit the subscribe button down below and turn on notifications so that you'll be able to be notified whenever I release a video. So yeah, let's get so I'm just copying this, and then I'm going to take it to the withdraw. So I'm going to go withdraw funds, and then let's see what's the next step right there. It's been a long time since I did this, so I'm just going to go follow with the process and see what goes on. But I think it should go smoothly. Everything should be just straightforward. So I just copied my whole balance, so just in case I need to type it out, and I don't like typing out everything. Okay, so this is my ASIMI value right there, right? And then this is all that I have. So I think I'm just gonna copy that, double check on that, right? And then paste it in here. So I'm just gonna Control A, select everything, and then paste. So I just pasted everything. I think that's all my ASIMI tokens. It's exactly the same number. No, it's actually not the same. 0365280. Okay, it is the same. It is actually the same. So, and then the password is already secondary pin. I don't think that's a second. This is a secondary pin. Or is it this one? I think it's this one. Yeah, it should be this one. And then I'm gonna put on this. I'm gonna confirm I'm not a robot, and then we should be able to go through the process. So the big moments, this is it. So we're gonna hit withdraw right now, and this 1050 coins should be in my wallet within the next 2 to 3 days, business days, work days, whatever you want to call them. So basically today is Tuesday. I think by Friday I should have these coins in my wallet. So I'm just gonna hit withdraw. So there we go, and I'm gonna hit withdraw. Let's see what happens. So this is my second time withdrawing. As I say, guys, this is my second withdrawal. And if you want to see payment proof from the other video, you can just, as I said, there's a link down below to the other videos, the playlist, as I said, where you can get everything, right? But right now we have a small problem right here. They're saying I'm attempting to withdraw less than $10. So you need at least $10, right? So this is worth more than $10, but what I did is I copied it with a comma right there. So I think that's why it's giving me that error. So I'm just gonna copy this exactly as it is. Then I'm gonna come back here and I'm gonna paste it here exactly as it is, and I'm gonna come back here and select my pin. I think this should be my pin. So the pin, you actually set it up when you create your account for the very first time, or when you try to withdraw the first time. So don't worry about that, everything should be sorted. So I'm just gonna try this again. It didn't work the first time. Let's see what's gonna happen. And then verify. So once again, we're gonna hit the withdraw button and see, this time should go smoothly, everything should work out just perfect. Oh man, incorrect secondary pin. Okay, there's a lot of let's see, I think it should be that one. Let's try that one, and then I'm gonna go try this one more time. Okay, sorry guys for this, what happening here. Okay, I'm not gonna type it out because I actually don't know what the secondary pin is. I just got it saved in my account, so yeah, I never really remember my password. So okay, for the last time I'm gonna click withdraw button. I'm not expecting any errors this time. Okay, there we go. Okay, okay, so they've sent one-time pin to my email, so I'm just gonna switch on to my desktop again. I mean to my phone, to my mobile phone, so we can see if the email is coming through. So let me just see quickly right here. Okay, I keep my emails locked, guys, for safety reasons. Anyways, but you already know my password, right? You just saw it. But anyways, let's wait for the email to come through. It should come through on this email, because that's the email that I use. It's kind of delaying you. Okay, this email is delaying on my phone. I don't know what's happening, so I'm just gonna go try to open it from my Gmail right here. I hope that won't take even longer. So let's just see. Hey, it actually is in on my mobile phone. I just keep on checking where it is. Okay, it's right there. So let's just copy the pin, and then I should be able to do it. So basically, okay, let me just show you guys how the email actually looks like. So that's the email right there. So 464993. So let's just put it in there. 464993. So let's see if I entered it correctly. So that's the last step to getting this finalized. So let's see what, oh man, it's incorrect. You know what, I'm gonna pause this video or fast forward it, and I'm just gonna redo this one more time. Okay, withdraw funds. So this is a live withdrawal. I'm trying to keep it as live and, you know, real as much as possible, just to show you guys that there's no, you know, they're legit. It's a legit platform. You can rely on it. Everything just works out perfect on this platform. So I've been with this platform for quite a long time, and we're seeing a green bar. So please allow up to 72 hours for the withdrawal payment processing. So yeah, we did it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that like button, share, and leave a comment down below. So last time, okay, so there's basically a fee, as you can see, withdrawal received. There used to be no fee. I mean, look at this, 45, and I got my 45. And then this time, this was back March last year, 21, and then today, March 17. I don't know why this is happening exactly 1 year later, but sort of 1 year later. But as you can see, 1,050, and then I'm receiving 1,968. So that's basically about 81.59 withdrawal fee. And okay, I can cancel it or I can just leave it. So I'm gonna leave it. As I said, I want to withdraw this. So yeah, I just lost 81 for withdrawal fee, and I lost another 20 for verifying my my account. So basically it's like a total of 100 ASIMI tokens to withdraw. Anyways, thank you for watching this, guys, all the way to the end. I really appreciate that, and don't forget to subscribe and turn notifications, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.